asking right now is acknowledging that inner child and honoring what that child has wanted na hindi nabigay sa kanya.
Ano yung hindi na ibigay dun sa young Sal?
I think that she missed out on a lot of positive attention and reinforcement. Because I came from a narcissistic household. I learned quite recently na it's possible pala for narcissists to gather and exist in the same family. And ang nangyayari with narcissists is that they feel terrible about themselves. They want everyone around them to feel terrible as well. So, ang nangyayari in narcissistic households with narcissistic parents, pinubuli nila yung mga anak nila. Sinasabihan na, pangit ka, wala kang mararating. You know, like yung like all of your decisions are wrong, you don't know what's best for yourself. I grew up hearing that every day. Pinapagalitan ako, pinapahiya ako in front of our guests. Kukumpul-kumpul silang magkakapatid and then they will talk. Can I swear? Can I swear? Yeah, they would talk